What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to improve the quality of your OBS Studio recordings. To get started, launch OBS Studio. Once OBS opens up, the first thing to do is minimize the number of sources in each scene. Different sources, such as webcams, game captures, or browser windows, can put a strain on your system's performance. By reducing these to the essentials, you can help free up resources, ensuring better recording quality. Next, head over to the Settings menu. Under the Output tab, you'll want to set the output mode to Advanced for greater control over your recording settings. Now, in the Recording section, set the type to Standard, which will give you flexibility in choosing your recording path. Make sure to select a recording path with plenty of storage, especially if you plan on recording a lot. For the recording format, I recommend choosing MP4. This format keeps file sizes relatively small and is compatible with almost all video editing software, making your workflow smoother. Now for the encoder setting. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, set this to NVENC, which offloads the recording tasks to your GPU. If you don't have a powerful GPU or you're facing performance issues, switch it to X264, which uses your CPU for encoding. This choice depends on your hardware, so it's a good idea to make test recordings using both options while you're in-game to see which works better for you. Keep an eye on performance. Sometimes NVENC recordings may look great, but your GPU could struggle, especially during gameplay. Next, switch to the Streaming section, and under the Streaming settings, set Rescale Output to 1920 by 1080 for better results, especially if you're aiming for high-quality recordings. Moving on to rate control under encoder settings, set this to CBR, which stands for constant bitrate. For recording in 1080p, set your bitrate to around 10,000. This means OBS will use approximately 10 MB of storage per second, ensuring good video quality without overloading your system. If you experience lag or your system struggles to keep up, try lowering the bitrate. Keep in mind, a lower bitrate, say 5000, will result in lower quality, with the image appearing less detailed and washed out. On the other hand, setting the bitrate too high can lead to unnecessarily large files and performance issues. For the keyframe interval, set it to 2, which helps improve the visual quality of recordings, especially during fast movements in gameplay. Under the preset option, set this to slowest, best quality. However, if you're on a lower-end PC, consider setting this to fastest, lowest quality for smoother operation. Under Profile, choose Main, which works well for most use cases. Lastly, set the GPU option to 0 and the max B-frames to 2. These settings will help balance quality and performance, especially for mid-range PCs. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.